Today is our class, and in the last class, what we learned, expanded form, and what do we learn else? What do we learn else? Yes, I think that was 10 hundreds. I can't remember it. Okay, but you remember, that's okay. Okay, now let's see what today we are going to learn. We are today going to learn fractions. There are so many parts, and what we will learn today, on that depended questions will come. It means a quiz. So ready for it? Okay. Now, what are fractions? First question will be, what are fractions? Fraction is a part of a whole. Is a part of a whole. It means if I have a pizza, okay, if I have a pizza and I have to distribute this pizza into 4 people, how many pieces I will cut? I will cut 4 pieces, but how I shall cut it? Equal I shall cut? Unequal? Yes, we have to cut equal, because everybody should get same parts. Okay, so now this I distributed in 4. Okay, now why is it? Because now I have to show you in small image. Okay, so this 4 happened. Okay, and there is one type again, equal, unequal. Equal parts means they are equally distributed. Like this is now. This is equally distributed. Unequal mean like this. If we have this and this. See, if this is equally distributed, no. One part is very huge. This is little short. And like that, they are not very equal. They are not equal. They are unequal. Okay. So, equal and unequal, you understood? Now you will see. Now let's see what is the part. What's the part of the line? Each book has, if you open your semester, you will see that each line is given. So upper part is numerator and the lower part is denominator. We have to not spell it. The answer will be that. So one is denominator, one is numerator. These are both for our fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. If there is a whole, this is a part of it. Okay, if I taken this, I will just shade it. So we are shading it. I taken it. It is a part of a whole. Numerator and denominator. They are distributed, numerator and denominator. Okay, there are so many parts of this. So you have to go through these videos. I will make video only that time. Okay, so numerator and denominator. Numerator, now you will say unequal, equal, you understand. Equal means the parts which are totally distributed equally, and unequal means those are not distributed equally. So numerator and denominator means, like if I have this square chocolate, I have to distribute to my family. Your family has how many members? 5, 4, any. My family has 4 members. Okay, so I will drag this box like this. Okay, now I can't draw it perfectly, but See, that's equal. Okay, then if my family, but my father didn't want any chocolate, then I taken his part too. Like I taken 2. So I will take 2. My mother my mom and my sister taken that too. But which now they are not eating now. I just taken my 2 pieces. So my numerator means the part which is shaded. The part which is shaded. And denominator means, I'm gonna write in here, denominator means total parts. If they are shaded or not shaded, but the total parts will be the denominator. Like now here shaded means just like this colored there. So see, this is colored and this is colored. Okay, so there are 2 pieces colored in here, so we will write 2. Now there are totally pieces 1, 2, 3 and 4, so we will write 4. So how shall we read it now? So see, we are calling this line by 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4. Okay, say 1, 2, 3, 4 is our denominator. It shows us the total number. And 1, 2 is our number, which is numerator. Let's see other images too. Coming on your screen. Wait a minute, just let it erase. Shall I erase that fraction is a part of whole? I will erase it, so we will gonna get a lot of space, because I am gonna repeat it only. Fraction is a part of. Coming on your screen. So now I am only drawing. How shall I write coming on this screen? So see now, if I have some shapes, okay, triangle, and then square. Yeah, triangle, square, or this two. Okay, I've taken one, I've taken one, I've taken 2. Okay, now here is your question. So now see in here, fraction is a part of a whole. What is a numerator? Numerator means yeah, I am writing because that's some lot of space not here. That's it. Numerator means which part is shaded. Is called a numerator. And denominator means total parts. So which part is shaded? So shaded means this crisscross line you see like this, they are shaded parts. Okay, shaded means colored parts. And okay, we have to not think about which are remaining. Okay, now let's see this one first image. So it has a circle divided in 4 equal parts. Okay, and fraction will be, what will be the fraction? Numerator means the shaded part. But how you will see that is, how it is a numerator? It has 1 left in there. Nope, you have to not think of that one left. Okay, you have to just think of this shaded, this colored pieces, not of this dot, not of this part. You see, it's not shaded, so why we will take in our numerator, but in your denominator it comes. denominator it comes because it is just the total parts, whole parts we have. So numerator is 3, it's shaded by 3, and denominator is 4. Okay, denominator, numerator, like this I am writing because you can understood it. Now numerator means shaded parts and denominator means total parts. Okay, you can do it now. Now see, this triangle also easy it is. It's easy. See. Okay, now this as in 2 pieces. Okay, so what will be the fraction of it? One part is shaded. Here you can count to this one whole piece is shaded. It means one will be our numerator. Numerator means shaded parts. Numerator means shaded parts. Okay, and denominator means total parts. Denominator means total parts. So total part will be our 2. This is our numerator. This is our denominator. I am writing the shaded parts. Why? You can understand. Please understand it. It's too easy for us. If you do it, okay? It's not tough. If you like to be me like me, you have to understand it only. Now see, this is a 1. This is second one. Second one is not shaded, so it is not coming in our numerator diagram, but it's coming in our denominator, and numerator is also coming in our diagram. Okay, now see, this you can't do it. Okay, let it go. So we will get to do that later. Now see, this here is same as the triangle figure. Triangle figure. See, 2 parts are there, so it will be our denominator. One part is shaded. One part is shaded. This is our numerator. This is our denominator. Okay, now I will tell you this. This is 2 by 2. We will totally call it whole. One whole. What we call it is one whole, not 2 by 2 for all. We call it, but we write this also one whole to express what is it. If all are shaded, all parts are shaded. All parts are shaded. All parts are shaded. All parts are shaded. So we will write one whole. Okay, like this we are doing it. If there are total parts shaded, so we write one whole. We write one whole. Okay. Now have you learned this? I hope you learned it. Okay. Now I am just doing one. Okay, now see now. Now what we will do is okay. So if you wanna learn, I will teach you the addition and subtraction of it, or like and like fraction, if you say, and a proper, improper, like and like, and a lot. Which fraction do you want to learn? I will take as yes. So I will teach you 2 fractions, another which are like and like, and improper, like unlike, fractions. Now we learned what are fractions. Fractions are the part of a whole. We have one circle, whatever it is, and then we color what are the shaded parts we see. Then we wait a minute. I'm gonna teach you this also, but first of all, I'm gonna show you one thing another. Okay, yes. Now that is, if I only said you that the colored part one, I said if there are two colored pieces, so your fraction will be 2/4. But not taught you if the image is given and the fraction is 3/4. Just we have to do is okay then. Now okay then. Now see, 3/4 it is. So 4 total parts are there, and 4 is our denominator. Denominator we don't do nothing. We just write it as a total part of ours. But 3 is our numerator. Numerator means we shade it. We shade 3. We can shade any 3 here. You can shade, or if you want to shade over here, but shade only 3. Okay, this will be easy for you. If you not understand in the quiz, I can explain you. How? Like, unlike, unlike fractions. We will today learn. Fractions we knew. Now like and like fractions means, if the like fractions means if the denominator are same, that is called like fraction. If unlike fraction means if the denominator, like we have one part like this, one box I will to give for our example. Okay, now see, if I have numbers such as 23 40, 14/23, 16/23, I have this 19/42, 17 by 20. Now see, in this the denominator is same, numerator never combines, but 23 the denominator is same, they have one election as the same, so it's called, it has same. Like fractions, it is like fraction it is. Why it's like? Cause the denominator are same, and if you take this fraction, this pair of fraction, there is 1942 and 1720. Numerator never combines, but denominator is 42 and 20. But 20 and 42 never 42 it also not a same number. 42 is gone till 40 and 2 digit front. 20 runs like 10 and 10 plus 10 20. So it's not same it is. So we call as unlike fraction. Okay, we have these two types. See, like fractions means the same. Like fraction means the same. Unlike fraction, not same. Okay, not same. Have you learned, understood it? Just understand it, don't learn it. I see you don't just learn that like fraction is that. Just understood, so it's over. So like fraction means like fraction means like fraction means unlike fraction like fraction is same with its denominator. And unlike fraction are not same with the denominator. Okay, understood it? Same with its denominator. Like fraction, same with its denominator. Unlike fraction, not same with its not same with its denominator. Okay, if we have to click little bit of compare those. See. Okay, wait a minute. Click. After that, we are taking proper improper. See, like same, and this is unlike not same. Okay, I have 3 by 14, 9 by 20, 4 by 20. This is also 20, okay? Okay, 5 by 20. Numerator never minds. We know this. Numerator, let it be anything. But 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, unlike fraction if we talked about. So, unlike fraction are 4 by 15, 6 by 17, 9 by 18, 2 by 5. Now see, like fraction we see, so we have 20, 20, 20, 20 as our denominator, numerator, never minds, numerator, never minds, numerator, never minds. Okay, we have 20, 20, 20 as denominators. So it is a like fraction. It is our like fraction cause it is denominator is 20. 20. Not changed the like here. In the unlike fraction you can see 15, 17, 18, 5. Numerator never minds, numerator never minds, numerator never minds. So denominator is changing. 15, then 17, then 18, then 5. What is that? Nope. Nothing that is. It's just unlike fraction. Like fractions, all the denominator are same. These denominators are same. Okay. Now shall we learn the proper improper? And again I am repeating, fraction is a part of a whole. Fractions means the part which is shaded, and the part which is shaded and it has the part which is shaded. Okay, the part which is shaded, and then that part is distributed in numerator or denominator. Shaded part will be numerator, not unshaded part means total parts will be denominator. Unshaded and shaded one will be denominator. And like unlike fraction means denominator is same. Okay, now let's see proper improper fraction. You will say it's not coming. See the video 2-4 times. Okay, improper fractions. So fraction is in this table. So equivalent fraction, we have another one. We have a lot of set model fraction. Okay, now let's see proper improper fraction. Proper improper fraction, it means now we have to take, if proper, let's take proper. If we have 5 by 6, you will say, oh, how is this fraction? Are you teaching us that? No, I'm not teaching you. It's an improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Okay, first I will tell you the examples of proper fraction. Like, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 10 by 20. So now what we are doing in this is take, you are saying no, how is it? It's not a like fraction. It's unlike fraction. Okay, this 6, 8, 9, 20. It's unlike fraction, but here it doesn't mean unlike. It doesn't mean, it means proper, improper. So proper fractions they are. How they have 5 and 6, 7 and 8. No, these are not. See, I have to tell one thing. In fraction, one rule is that denominator must be bigger than the numerator. Numerator must not be bigger than the denominator. So numerator must be not the biggest in those. Okay, those things. So see, in here 8 is smaller than 9. In this 10 is smaller than 20. 5 is smaller than 6. 7 is smaller than 8. 8 is smaller than 9. 10 is smaller than 20. Okay, now let's erase it and let's learn improper fraction. Proper fractions are easy. Which are our regular fraction? It means the denominator is not coming. The denominator means the numerator is not very big in it. So like this 7 by 8 it is. So 8 is bigger and it can hold it. But if we done like this 8 by 7, it's not making sense. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. If I take an 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I ran out. How I ran out? Because 8 parts can't be sheeted from these 7 parts. 7 is a small number, 8 is a large number. But if we done like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've taken 7 from 1 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is remain. This can make a sense. Yes, because this is a proper fraction. Because numerator is not bigger than the denominator, it's smaller. But if it came as the same number like 8, if it came, it's okay. It will be 1 whole. But if it came greater than that, another one if we added and it became 9 by 8, it's not making sense. Not making any sense. Because 8, we can't take 8, we can distribute 8, but we can't take 9 pieces. Like take this, it was 7, now I didn't eat, but where is the 9 pieces? I can't find, because it's an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction, proper method. Okay, now understood it. Proper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And if we talked about proper fraction means which can numerator is smaller. Now it's time for us to give a little bit head a little bit more. Okay, now let's see how I came back. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, we are in, and now let's see. Okay, now let's see. Now it's time for us to give our little hair some problems. So let's have a quiz. You're going to love this quiz. Okay, so quiz in this will be asked, So Okay then, so let's see the question number 1 coming on your screen. So now here is your questions. On your screen you can see it. Okay, so first is 3 by 4 in here. So 3 by 4, what does it mean? Okay, so 3 by 4 we have to shade over here. So 3 parts are shaded. One time you stop the video, pause it, think for 10 seconds. Okay, think. We have to shade over here. Okay, now time's up and I can tell you. So see, 4 it is our denominator, 3 is our numerator. So we have to just shade it. Okay, shade it. 3 will be the shaded piece. Over. Easy peasy. Wasn't it easy? Okay, now see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded. Okay, 4 will be our numerator. 4 are only total, so 4 will be our denominator. That forms us with 1 whole. Yes, we did a great job. Okay, so now see in the first question what was there for 3 by 4. Just shade it, shade, and for the 1 whole it was. Okay, understood? I hope you understood it. Now let's see similar questions. There will be 5 asked to you on your screen. Good tick. Question on your screen. Now see. In the first, identify like fraction. Like fraction we have to identify which option is correct. 42 by 53, 62 by 72, 82 by 90, 42 by 50. 53, these things right, but 70 to 90, no. We want all the 4 options to be correct, so this our can't be. Okay, this our answer would be not. Let's say 67 by 82, 78 by 98, 57 by 42, 68 by 79. Here it's an improper fraction, but still they are not correct. So this also can't be our answer. 33 by 44, 55 by 66, 77 by 88, 99 by 99. This also can't be. So let's look at the D one. Okay. See, D1 is 55 by 66, 55 by 66. Those are same. 44 by 66, 62 by 66. This is our answer. So, the correct answer to this will be G wins. Okay. Now, next question coming on your screen. Question on your screen. Now, your question is identify improper and proper fraction. It means we have to write over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here. If this question is saying it's improper or proper. A option, B option, C option, D option, E option, and F option. Okay, so let's see carefully. Watch this video till the end. Okay, you will learn this quiz super fast. Now, 8 by 17 is a proper fraction. Is a proper fraction. So we are going to spell here proper. Yes, now, cause 17 if we kept the parts and cut it, and we can take the 8 parts easy. Now 19 by 17, not. These all are 17, 17. They all are like fractions, but I have done changed the numerator. 19 by 17, no. If you have cut it 17 parts and we can't take 19 out of it, so this will be improper fraction, improper set. 18 by 17, nope. It says 17, 18, it's greater than one number only. So this is also, we will spell is improper. 14 by 17. Okay. 14 by 17 is 17 is bigger than 14, so it can be. So it is a proper. And 15 by 17, this is also proper. – 29 by 17, no, it's not proper. Improper. Understood what are improper and proper fraction? Proper fraction means which numerator is smaller than the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction means which numerator is greater than denominator is called the improper fraction. Let's move to our next quiz. Understood this of 8, 17, 8 and 7. Okay, coming on the next quiz. Okay, question is, which is correct? Which is correct? A option. Improper fraction is like 917. B option. Like fractions are not same. C option. Unlike fractions are same. D option. Fraction is a part of a whole. We have to identify here the correct ones. Correct. Now see which is the correct. Okay. A option, if you looked, improper fraction is like 970. Improper fractions are written as 900. Written means like this is an example of it. 9 and 7. 9 and 7. Okay, so 9 and 17. So this is surely what you are saying improper fraction looks like. Nope. Yeah, nope. We are wrong in this. 9 and 9 and 17, how it will be? 17 and 9 will be the correct improper fraction. So this is wrong. You can see on your screen, video is not so long. Now see, like fractions are not same. Like fractions are same, not same, they are same, but they are same, so this also can't be. This is the correct way to find out, okay? Unlike fractions are same. Wow, they are opposite. They given like, if this like was over here and this unlike was over there, it will be have correct, but now it's wrong. Unlike fractions are not same. Unlike fractions are not same. Like fractions are same. So this also can't be. They are not. They are same. But this can be. Fraction is a part of whole. Yes, fraction is a part of a whole. This is correct. Correct option will be our D. So, have you understood it? Have you understood today's lecture? So, let me just tell you what we learned today. What do we learn today? So, everybody will have doubts on each paragraph. That's why I am doing a quick recap. And test is also over now, quiz. Okay, so let's take a quiz. Let's take a recap. See what we are going to see. We learned today was a fraction. Fraction. How many types of fraction do we learn? We learn 2 types of fraction. Like, unlike, proper, improper. And after that, this was our part 1 of our fraction. Part 2 will be of equivalent fraction. I don't know what I'm going to teach. Oh yes, I know. Addition of fractions, and we can take then after that day we can take after that day we can take, that is what we call it, yes, number line, or fractions on number line, and then we can take equivalent fractions. Okay then, so see, Let's see fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. If we have something that we have to distribute, we do it. And we learn also that unequal and equal. Unequal and equal were not depended on questions, because I knew you can understand was just cut it in equal or cut in unequal. That was not a basic meant. I can recap that each and every lesson, but this will be not coming in each and every lesson. So see, fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. If there is a whole and we are taking one part, which is shaded, we call that as a fraction. And if like and like we talk about, like fraction means all they are same, and unlike fraction means all they are not same. Proper improper fraction if we taken so, see, proper fraction if we taken so, and improper fractions we have also taken. So proper improper means, proper means that their numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction means denominator is smaller than the numerator. Over. So I think you love today's class. This meant, so I hope you will join tomorrow's class, and I think you like this video. Subscribe, share. It's not a ये ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. It's not for you to do it only. You can do it or not. I don't think of that. Just learn it and be successful. Okay then. Happy bye. Bye. Bye bye, intelligence. Okay, bye. Is it on only? Sorry. Bye.